I'm Raquel Kahlo, and behind me is the same bakery at the center of a legal battle that's been going on for nearly a decade. Kathy Miller, the owner, has continued to stand by her beliefs. And now, with California's highest court stepping aside, she's turning to the U.S. Supreme Court in hopes of having her case heard.
We have to go through this. We're, 8 years into it? And it's been very difficult.
This legal battle began in 2017 when Miller, the owner of Tastries Bakery, claimed that being forced to bake a wedding cake for a same-sex couple violated her religious beliefs. The California Civil Rights Department, acting on behalf of the couple, sued Miller, alleging discrimination based on sexual orientation. The case made its way through the courts, and in March, a state appeals court upheld its decision, finding Miller discriminated against the same-sex couple.
California has been prosecuting Kathy for 8 years because she kindly and gently turned this couple away.
Miller's last hope is that the U.S. Supreme Court hears her case. One of Miller's attorneys, Adele Keem, says the U.S. Supreme Court has twice sided with others in the wedding industry over similar issues, including the high-profile Masterpiece Cake Shop case.
We serve everyone at the bakery. We have several customers that are part of the LGBT community.
Miller says when approached by same-sex couples, she refers to them to another local baker, an arrangement she made so they could still get the service, while she stays true to her religious beliefs.
We also have our constitutional rights. We also have our biblical faith.
We are hopeful that the Supreme Court will take Kathy's case. The Supreme Court twice in the past 8 years, while California has been hammering her in court, comparing her to racists, accusing her of harming the dignity of all Californians, Kathy has kept her bakery open and she's kept hope alive.
Kathy has until the end of August to file a petition with the U.S. Supreme Court. If she does, the state of California will have a chance to respond, and the justices will decide whether to take the case on later this year or early next year.
Hopefully there's going to be a resolution soon, and that the Supreme Court can give us boundaries, and give us guidance.
Miller's attorneys argue that this is about religious freedom, not discrimination, and that the Constitution protects her decision. I reached out to the same-sex couple for comment, but have not received a response. This legal fight started off with a wedding cake and is now headed for the highest court in the country. After years of appeals, Kathy Miller hopes the U.S. Supreme Court will weigh in. For 23 ABC in Bakersfield, I'm Raquel Kahlo, your neighborhood reporter.